Welcome to Hamad and today we are here at Doha in Hamad International Airport, and I'm at Terminal E on my back. You can see right there, there's E, and then we have Terminal B on the other side. And then if you will further walk towards the opposite side of the E and B, you're gonna have Terminal C. So I got some time. It's almost like I have 2 more hours to be here at the airport. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and let you guys explore the some terminal parts such as Terminal A and Terminal B. So let's go ahead and just take a look on those sides and kill some time. We are going to take a train that will go to Terminal A and B. So we are here at our Terminal AB, and I'm going to use the escalator to go down. So we are at Terminal AB. It will take you around 5 minutes to walk to the gates. If you want to walk, let's take a look. Oh, wow. Let me see the price in US dollars. Yeah, you will get 256 GB iPad Air in 2021. Let's see how much are. They have watches there. They have those iPhones sitting there. A lot of beautiful designs they have. Hey, how you doing?
Okay.
Nice earring. If you wanna get some drinks or tang or a mango, those you wanna make at home, you can get from here. And here's they have some bazaar and some local stuff, some souvenir if you want to get it. That's pretty cool. I like all these beautiful camels right there. I don't think so there is a price mentioned here. Maybe let me see if there is any price. Yes, it's $22. This bit and or camo. So you will pay $22 or probably peacock. Let's see. Oh, there is $36. So they're very beautiful. And here they have all those shoes and some other shops that you see. There's Starbucks right there if you want to get a coffee. So they have pretty much all those expensive brands here. If you want to get some jacket or shirt or perfume, that you can get right here. So, let's check out those shoes. Nice. So these shoes are $793. So pretty expensive shoes for a person like me. Mostly I go with between $200 to $300. That's what I will go. But these are brands, so you have to pay the money if you like them. And then there is other dresses shops. If you are interested to buy some shoes or something, you can go ahead and get those. These are all different type of brands available here. Let me see, they have iPhone 13 Pro, $828. Mini, iPhone 13, so not bad. Same price as what you pay in America. I'm here at Terminal A, B, but I'm gonna go to the Terminal C right there. So you will see this sign on your back, C, D, E, and that's what you're gonna go. You can take a train or you can walk. I'm gonna go ahead and walk. So if you're walking towards Terminal C, you're gonna get this Costa coffee. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of coffee, so not sure. But a lot of people are in the queue. Now, I would like to see more choices for the food, and honestly, I'm not seeing a lot of food choices here. Maybe I'm in the wrong spot. This is my second time on this airport. Shouldn't be that hard, but I'm not seeing a whole lot of choices for the food. Here I am on one of the shop called organic something ever organic or something, and they have some food here, so I'm gonna grab a drink for me. Let's see. So I got this forest smoothie, and the cost for this one is $11. So they accept the US dollar if you want to pay in dollars. Thank you very much.
Thanks for you.
Yeah. These are different prices for the food. You can pay for that. So here is my smoothie. You can see I can hold in my hand. It's very small. In America we call it kiddie, and kiddie is mostly even bigger than that. But anyways, this is $11. But it just has spinach, broccoli, one banana, and some ice and honey. That's what she put when she was making this one. Let's taste it. Tastes like banana. You can see the size, and then if you put a whole banana in this one, you're gonna taste like banana anyways. It doesn't look like it is green, a sweet taste of banana and honey. Well, I will take it. If you're traveling, I mean, this is airport, so food is expensive, that's fine. So this was called Evergreen Organics, and this is on Terminal C. That's why I bought this one.